Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. I offer the prayer that you see on the screen for our reflection today because it speaks to one of the real meanings of Christmas. It says that Christmas and the work of Christmas don't end on December 25th. And the work of Christmas is more than preparing meals and buying and wrapping gifts and socializing and sharing good cheer. That the work of Christmas is something that needs to be done every day. And the work of Christmas involves carrying on the work of Christ in the world. And so I offer this prayer. The work of Christmas begins when the carols have been stilled, when the star-topped tree is taken down, when family and friends are gone home, when we are back to our schedules. The work of Christmas begins. To welcome the refugee, to heal a broken planet, to feed the hungry, to build bridges of trust, not walls of fear, to share our gifts, to seek justice and peace for all people, to bring Christ's light to the world. Amen.